Imagine this. You're on a serene beach, the waves gently lapping at the shore, and your phone buzzes. You glance at it to see a notification, another deposit in your bank account. All while you're sipping on a refreshing drink and enjoying the view. Or picture yourself in a cozy cabin in the mountains, the fireplace crackling and snow falling softly outside. You check your laptop and see that your investments have grown overnight. No stress, no rush, just the peace of knowing your money is working for you. These scenarios aren't just wishful thinking, they're the reality for many who've tapped into the power of passive income. The concept is simple. Set up income streams that require minimal effort to maintain, allowing you to earn money around the clock. In this video, we're going to uncover the secrets to building these income streams. We'll dive into strategies that can help you create a life where your finances are on autopilot, giving you the freedom to live on your terms. So whether you're dreaming of more time with family, traveling the world, or simply enjoying life's little moments, passive income can be your ticket to a more fulfilling life. Let's embark on this journey together. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started on turning those dreams into your everyday reality. Ever wish you could earn money even while you're catching Z's? Imagine waking up in the morning, not to the blaring sound of an alarm clock, but to the realization that your bank account has grown overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a fantasy, it's entirely possible and many people are already doing it. Well, that's the beauty of passive income. It works for you, even when you're not. Whether you're sleeping, traveling, or spending time with loved ones, passive income streams can keep the cash flowing. It's about making your money work for you, instead of you working for your money. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 ways you can start building your own passive income streams and escape the rat race. We'll cover everything from investments to side hustles that require minimal ongoing effort. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your journey towards financial independence. From real estate to digital products, there are numerous avenues to explore. Real estate can provide rental income, while digital products like eBooks or online courses can generate sales around the clock. Each method has its own set of advantages and challenges, but with the right approach, they can all be lucrative. We'll explore the strategies that can set you on the path to financial freedom. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to diversify your income streams, this video has something for everyone. So get ready to take notes and start planning your financial future today. Let's get started. One of the most traditional forms of passive income is real estate. And no, you don't need to be a millionaire to get started. Rental properties can provide a steady stream of cash flow month after month. Plus, there are tax advantages, appreciation potential, and leverage opportunities. Remember, it's all about careful planning, research, and smart investing. Ever bought something based on a friend's recommendation? Affiliate marketing is similar. You promote products or services you love. When someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. The best part? You can do this with a website, social media, or even email marketing. It's all about finding the right niche and providing value to your audience. Chapter 3. Share your expertise. Package your knowledge into a profitable online course. Are you an expert in something? Do you have a skill or knowledge that others might find valuable? Why not create an online course and share your knowledge? Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easier than ever. These platforms provide all the tools you need to design, publish, and market your course. You create the content once and sell it repeatedly. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that your expertise is helping people around the world, all while you earn money. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income while helping others. Each sale of your course adds to your revenue without any additional effort on your part. Start by identifying a specific niche where your knowledge stands out. The more focused your topic, the better. This helps you attract a dedicated audience who are eager to learn what you have to offer. Create high-quality content that is engaging and informative. Use a mix of video lectures, quizzes, and downloadable resources to keep your students engaged. Invest time in editing your videos to ensure they are clear and professional. Good production quality can make a significant difference in how your course is received. Finally, market your course effectively. Use social media, email newsletters, and collaborations with influencers to reach a wider audience. The more people know about your course, the more sales you can generate. Remember, the key to success is persistence and continuous improvement. Keep updating your course based on feedback and stay engaged with your students. This will help you build a loyal following and ensure long-term success. Positive reviews and testimonials can significantly boost your course's credibility. Encourage your students to leave feedback and use it to attract more learners. Once you have a successful course, consider creating more. Diversifying your offerings can increase your income and establish you as an authority in your field. So take the leap and start sharing your expertise today. The world is waiting to learn from you, Chapter 4. From blank page to passive income, writing and selling your ebook. If you love to write, why not turn your passion into profit? Writing an ebook can be a fulfilling way to share your knowledge, stories, or expertise with the world. Self-publishing an ebook has never been easier. With the rise of digital platforms, you can reach a global audience without the need for a traditional publisher. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, is a great platform to start. It offers tools to help you format your book, design a cover, and even market your ebook. Write about something you're passionate about, create a compelling cover, and market it to your target audience. Your passion will shine through your writing, making it more engaging for readers. Marketing is key. Utilize social media, email newsletters, and book promotion sites to get the word out. Engage with your readers and build a community around your book. Consider setting up an author website to showcase your work and connect with your audience. This can also serve as a platform to sell your ebook directly. Each sale can generate passive income for years to come. The more you market and engage with your audience, the more successful your ebook can be. Positive reviews and word of mouth can significantly boost your sales. Encourage your readers to leave reviews and share your book with others. Remember, the journey from a blank page to a published ebook is a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time to craft a quality book that you're proud of. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Each step forward is a step towards turning your passion into a sustainable source of income. Chapter 5. Be the bank. Lending through peer-to-peer platforms. Want to be the bank and earn interest income? Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to do just that. You lend money to borrowers, and they pay you back with interest. It's essential to diversify your investments and understand the risks involved. But done right, it can be a great way to generate passive income. There you have it. 5 proven ways to start generating passive income and achieve financial freedom. Remember, building true wealth takes time and effort. Don't expect to get rich quick. Focus on building sustainable income streams that will continue to generate cash flow for years to come. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these options today and take control of your financial future.